To import Coinbase by crypto. Start by understanding what Coinbase is. A popular cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows users to buy, sell, and trade various digital currencies. Importing your Coinbase transactions is essential for tracking your cryptocurrency portfolio and calculating taxes. First, create an account on a cryptocurrency portfolio tracking platform or a tax calculation software, such as CoinTracker or TurboTax, that supports Coinbase imports. These platforms will guide you through the import process. Next, log into your Coinbase account and navigate to the Accounts section, where you will find a list of all your cryptocurrency wallets. Click on the portfolio icon and select the Transactions tab to view your buy and sell history. Now, to import your Coinbase transactions, you will need to export them in a format that can be read by your tracking platform. Coinbase allows you to export your transactions as a CSV file. To do this, go to the Transactions tab and click on the Export Transactions button. Select the date range for which you want to export transactions and choose the CSV format. Once you have exported your transactions, log into your tracking platform and navigate to the Import section. Select Coinbase as the exchange and upload the CSV file you exported earlier. The platform will then sync your Coinbase transactions with your portfolio. It is essential to regularly import your Coinbase transactions to ensure your portfolio is up to date. You can also set up automatic imports on some platforms to streamline the process. Best practices include keeping your Coinbase account and tracking platform passwords secure, enabling two-factor authentication, and regularly reviewing your transaction history to detect any suspicious activity. In conclusion, importing Coinbase by crypto is a straightforward process that requires creating an account on a tracking platform, exporting your transactions from Coinbase, and uploading them to the platform. By following these steps and maintaining good security habits, you can easily track your cryptocurrency portfolio and stay on top of your taxes.